Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing cupcake recipe perfect for spring and for summer that is coming up. I'm going to share with you my blackberry and lemon cupcakes. I'm going to use some lemon curd, which is amazing, and I already showed you how to make that in my YouTube channel. It is thick and perfect for these cupcakes, and these cupcakes will be filled with blackberries in the base but also in the frosting. So let's start with the recipe. It's very easy. I'm actually going to start off by making my own blackberry compote. That way I can control the amount of sugar that I'm going to put in my cupcake bases as well as frosting. I'm going to make it with my fresh blackberries. You can definitely use some frozen blackberries. I'm going to fill my cupcake liners, and then I'm going to bake my cupcakes in my preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. That's about 340 in Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. My sweet spot is around 18 minutes, and then I will make sure that the center is actually cooked with a toothpick, and we can let them cool down completely at room temperature. My cupcakes are cooling down, so it is now time to take care of the frosting, and I'm going to use a cream cheese frosting as all of my recipes for cupcakes basically on my French YouTube channel. And I'm going to start off by mixing my cream cheese, which is at room temperature, with some vanilla extract, and then I will add the blackberry compote as well as some icing sugar, and I will mix that well until I have a very light and combined consistency. Perfect. Now I'm going to add the last ingredient, which will be double cream, since I shot this video in London, but you can definitely use some heavy whipping cream in this recipe as well. Just make sure that it's completely full fat. You need to make sure that your frosting is actually thick enough to frost your cupcakes, and I'm going to mix that one last time until I have a very fluffy consistency. Now I'm going to fill my piping bag fitted with a straight tip, and I'm also going to hollow my cupcakes with just like a regular knife, and I'm going to put my lemon curd inside of it just to make a little surprise in our cupcakes. It will be delicious and very good with the blackberry taste, and then I will just cover it up with the remaining cake that I took off the cupcakes. It's It's time for decoration, and of course I'm using my lemon curd once again. If it's too thick, you can definitely thin it out with a bit of water just for this part, or you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds until it's a bit more smooth and easy to drizzle on top of your cupcakes. And then I'm going to decorate my cupcakes with some more fresh blackberries and a slice of lemon, just to remind the flavors. And that's it, our cupcakes were very easy, as you can see, to make. If you don't want to make the blackberry compote, of course you don't have to, you can definitely buy it in the store. It is just that I really wanted to control the amount of sugar in this recipe, so that's why I'm not using some jam or anything else, and I make my own compote in this recipe. But feel free to do whatever you want with it, especially for the decorations as well. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as my social media where to follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. And please subscribe to this channel, it really helps me grow on YouTube. And give this video a like and a comment if you actually enjoyed it. Just let me know and I will be happy to chat with you in the comment section. And I will see you very soon for another amazing sweet recipe. Bye!